Okay, so this is another uh, dash cam. As you can see, one of my dash cams has gone berserk, so I need to change it. And again, this is the usual HD2 camera loop recording review. The reason I like this, it's because if your car doesn't have a rear camera or backup camera, that is, you can use this as a backup camera and a dash cam at the same time. So it's kind of nice when you put them on reverse. If you connect all that, it'll work as a backup camera. This is just something from AliExpress, nothing special. This time I just didn't care about the Wi-Fi because I hardly even use it. One of the things you got to remember if you're going to be viewing videos on these or pretty much any dash cam, they're very slow, so it's not even worth it anymore. So I don't bother with that. But I do like the fact that I can use this as a backup camera at the same time since my car is older, but I just want to show you that. Let's see, what do we have here? And one thing I noticed, the file format is actually AVI, so it's much smaller as far as the file goes. I think this one only goes up to 32 gig. It's right there. Sorry about that. It's hard to read with all this stuff here, but it's just a basic 1080p like the other one, so nothing special there. But like I said, that's the reason I like using these because you can use them as a backup camera and they're touch screens as well. So let's see here. I'm not gonna go too in depth, but it looks just like all the others. As you can see, this one, the button's working. The other one that I bought, it's not. So this one doesn't have a GPS or anything like that. It's just a simple camera, just like the others. So nothing special. And then you have your usual rubber pieces and the extra camera here. I do need the extra backup camera because the one I have, when I repainted the something there, I got paint on it and I tried to clean it, but now it's just blurry. So I don't know if it's the camera or water actually got into it. I haven't been able to get rid of it, even though I cleaned it. This is nice. It has a 90-degree plug, but unfortunately, the always on plug, it's not a 90 degrees. It's like a straight. So there's a little less room there, but that's pretty much it. Nothing special. This one, the battery is dead, so I can't even turn it on right now. This one, I'm hoping the pins are the same as the one that's already there, so I don't have to rewire this. I can just unplug the camera and reuse it. But you gotta remember, this one is like what is it? I think like 5 pin, 3 pin, I forget. So you gotta get the right pins. If you got, there are some that are like 3 pins, some that are 5 pins, some that are 4 pins. So if it's not the same, you gotta take that wiring off, put this one on, and do it all over again. This one, I hope it's the same. I don't know. I mean, with my luck, it's probably not gonna be the same because I already had to change it like 3 times with every camera that I put on there. But the one I have, excuse me, took a dump and it's sucking up, so I think that's messing me up a bit on the battery. So that's why I'm changing it. I just finally said, okay, I found this one on AliExpress, so just browse in there. You can find some deals there, and that's pretty much it. But if you don't have a backup camera, there you go. You can get one of those, and they work okay. And if you want to just use that, you can use that, or you can use a permanent power source.